Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of exporting a thread via WhatsApp in X. If you want to share a conversation or a thread from X with your WhatsApp contacts, we'll show you how to do it seamlessly. Let's dive right into this comprehensive guide. Step 1. Open X on your device. Step 2. Navigate to the specific thread or conversation that you want to share. Step 3. Tap on the share icon, usually represented by an arrow pointing upwards, and then select Share Via from the options that appear. Step 4. In the sharing options, locate and tap on the WhatsApp option. X will now open WhatsApp, allowing you to select the contacts or groups you want to share the thread with. By following these simple steps, you can easily export a thread via WhatsApp in X, making it convenient to share conversations, collaborate, or engage with your WhatsApp contacts. Sharing threads on WhatsApp provides a convenient way to connect, share important information, or simply stay in touch with your contacts. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to export a thread via WhatsApp in X. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.